So we got stars and we got packs. Start of episode 4 of the RTG. Make sure you check out the other ones. Like and subscribe. We're gonna get into these packs straight away. 75 times 3, I think it said, or 5. 70 times 5, 5. Yes, 5. And this is gonna be Minamino. Oh wait, what? No, not Minamino. Who is this? Kamada. It is Kamada. Right, rare player pack. Let's go. 50k, 60 stars. Walkout. Striker. Sam Kerr. This is tradable. Do your stars. This is tradable. And she is probably like 100k. Lovely. I love that. Let's see who else is in the pack. Because that is Sam Kerr. Oh, we get Cody Gakpo as well. No one really too great. Fran Garcia, Cody Gakpo. Yeah, very good. Croatia, Netherlands. Oh, I was gonna squad foundation. I guess I'll be the centre back. I don't know. Bang. In the box. Oi, that didn't even in. Who are you using? Maxine, or I don't know. Oh. Nice fruit. Robbed me of an assist.
It's not me. No, their keepers go crazy again.
Lovely. I'm gonna be the best centre back.
Are you sure about that?
Or pass. Finish. How did he miss? Bang it. Yeah.
I'll keep getting intercepted for that.
No. Wait, that's offside. What a ball. Finish that. Oh my days. Tackle. That's all me. Joking. Oi, no. Finish. Yes. Look at that. 8.8, top passer, most tackles. Come on. So we got packs for the new road to the knockouts. Let's get straight into them. Prime God players back. Not a walkout. Strike. Grasoy. Oh. He's got a place out plus. 69 pace. Loftus Cheek though. Prime God players pack. Let's go. Walkout. Centre mid. American. 86 Horan. We'll go for the 75 pluses real quick.
Wait, open the good pack so you don't have to keep inviting me, bro.
Oh, Casemiro and Admatriori. 78 plus times 2. It's a walkout. Centre back. Oh, Klosterman. Please. That's Klosterman, right? Oh, no, it's not.
Oh, tough. He's not that bad.
He ain't bad. He fits in my team, but that's not really who I want. 80 plus times 3. Walkout. Left mid. Come on. She's good.
Did you think that was harder?
No. I knew it was her, but I don't know her name. But she's so sick. Prime Electrum plays back. It's not a walkout. Striker. Argentinian, La Liga, and
Alvarez? Is it Alvarez? No, Carrera.
oh, it is Alvarez.
Carrera? No, it's not. He's a thingy.
Oh yeah. True. All right, Electrum Players Pack again. It's not a walkout. What?
Team of the week.
Is it? I didn't even see.
Is that? Yeah. That's team of the week.
My first team of the week. Let's go.
I don't know who that is.
Mukoko. Oi,
Oh,
he looks decent. And that picture is actually kind of cold. I'm not gonna lie to you. One guaranteed to be over 81 rated. It's a walkout. It's a walkout. Left mid.
I guess what's walkouts?
Is that Grimaldo? Grimaldo.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll take a Grimaldo. Cheeky Grimaldo. Whip pass. That's lovely. What's he doing? Grimaldo, we'll take it. We'll take it. I've got 2. Let's go. Mega pack number 1. Walkout. Right wing. English. Oi, from the women's Barclays. Is that what's her name from Man City? Oh, never mind. Who's this? Mead. Oh my god. 88 rated. Okay, another mega pack. Come on. One guaranteed to be 82 rated. Walkout. Centre mid. Croatia. Oh yes. What's his name? Modric. He's still a walkout.
So lucky.
He's still a walkout. That is lovely.
So lucky, bro.
Oh, he's still usable as well. 5 rare mega packs. 1 to be guaranteed over 30. Oh, 81, 83. Not a walkout. Goalkeeper. That is gonna be Onana. Rafael Varane as well. Rare mega pack number 2. It is not a walkout. What?
Again, walkout. Look, not walkouts in the back.
Like, we need to get something special, bro. What is this? Diogo Costa. There was something wrong with the servers with EA. So, anyway, we're back with the packs. Get in. Red Mega Pack. Let's go. Opened. Yes! Yes! Send me. Wait, who's that? De Jong. No. Who's that? Who is that? Oh, Van der Beek. I didn't even know if De Jong had one, but let's go. We packed one. Finally. Let's go. Who else is behind it? Anyone else? No. But yes, we packed one. Let's go. Right, Mega Pack again. Let's go. Not a walkout. No. I'ma skip. Dude body. That's why I was trying to say Dovbik. Caicedo. Oi. Nah, it's only. What? He's cheap as well. Right. So, rare mega pack number 5, I think. Let's go. Who we got? Walkout, please. No, not walkout again. How was I getting walkout after walkout on the mega packs, but not in the rare mega packs? Who is this though? Oh, Pavard. I will take that, you know. Pavard is a solid player. 2 shadows. Yo, that's pretty sick. Not gonna lie. Right. 2 rare player packs. 50k packs add up to 100. Let's see who we can get. 83 rated or higher. Let's go. No walkout again. Come on. Oh man, this is starting to get a little bit, you know, starting to hurt a little bit. But oh, Dani Olmo actually went to Barcelona. I did not actually know about that. That's pretty sick. Right, last rare player pack. Please, Bellingham. Please, he'll fit perfectly in my team. No walkout! It's not a walkout. A Gurn. Oh, I already got him. Get away with this pack. Get away. No walkout. Last pack. 100k pack. Please. Let's get someone good. Please. No. No, it's not even a walkout. 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 Ladies and gentlemen, this is a stinker of a pack. No! No! Oh, that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good.
Hello there.
We got a team of the week in there. But that's literally it. We got Van de Hakimi.
Nice.
That's pretty decent. Oh, Louis Chewy. Chewy Louis, I mean. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of episode 4 of the RTG on Eafc 25 Ultimate Team. Come on, around kobbie mainoo. If you haven't seen any of the other videos, go check them out. It would be greatly appreciated if you like them also and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you on the next episode tomorrow. Bye.